hide me in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, you guys know I love RC trucks and cars and drones, but you guys I know love them as well. So today we're checking out DEERC or DRC four-wheel drive. This is the 900E, so I'm excited. It says for ages 8 and older. We can go over a couple features, then show you guys what you get in the box and test it out. It's a full scale, 2x differential, 2.4 GH radio control, rechargeable battery, four-wheel drive, shock absorbers. All right, let's get unboxing. All right, guys, check this out. Oh, she's a beauty. Wow. So let's see. Make sure you get everything out. Inside here is going to be some batteries. So make sure you get everything out. All right. Let's see. Warning. Do not pull trigger of the remote during connecting. All right. So underneath here for the battery compartment, we see it takes 3 AA batteries. So we'll get to that. They give you 2 batteries for your actual car. So here's the batteries for the car. 7.4 volt, 11.1 WH, 1500 mAh. So nice size batteries. You can upgrade your batteries as well for more performance. Let's see, they give this little bag here. Let's see what's inside the bag. All right, looks like a cleaning brush. And I'm not sure what else is in here. All right, so we have charging cable. So they give you the charging cable for your batteries. Looks like extra screws, extra holders for the body, screwdriver, and cleaning brush. A little manual in here. So this is it. Pretty sharp, if you ask me. I think this is really nice. Underneath the body, as you can see, here we go. Independent shocks, which make for perfect maneuvering, front and back. So let's see, to take off the wing, you just pull this out if you don't want the wing on there. For the body, you just take these 4 pins out. And what's nice about these pins, they have plastic pieces on them that make it easy to pull out. All right, so now we got the body up. Be careful, looks like your radio control is in there, so just set your body off to the side here. And here you have your connectors. You can see everything in here. Does this have lights? That would be pretty awesome if there's lights in here. So let's actually go test this out. Let's get some batteries. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so this is the controller. You have speed switch, steering, trim, on and off. Here's how you control it by the side. You got your trigger, you got reverse and forward. So basic, simple setup. Let's go ahead and plug the battery in. Make sure you connect it correctly. So you would go with red, red, black, black. All right, there we go. Very nice. All right, guys, if you're wondering about where the battery goes, there's going to be 2 levers right in here that you turn. So once you turn them, you can then place your battery and cables down inside here. So guys, just like this. So you're going to place your battery in like this, lay it in here, and as you're closing it, you just place your lines right through here on the front. It's going to show, and then you go ahead and turn this back. This gets your battery locked in place, and you are good to go. So now the power button is right on the top here. So let's see, I believe you press and hold it. Yes, and now it's blinking. That means it's ready to pair. So once it's blinking, you go ahead and turn on this. Once you have this turned on, turn the wheels, and you can see it's ready to go. Alright guys, so as you can see, it does have little headlights, which is really cool. So, we're ready to take her for a spin. Looks like there are lights on the top here as well. So guys, check it out. Pretty awesome. Pretty freaking cool, man.